get a pair of all white sneakers for some time now, but a lot of the options out there were either sold out, too expensive, or they just didn't have my size in stock. After doing some research, I stumbled upon the Nike by You program on Nike.com. It essentially lets you customize your shoes to your own personal preferences from the ground up, from the outsole all the way up to the upper. Now, it's not for all models, but it does have a decent amount of options you can choose from, as you can see here. Here's a look at some of the custom designs that some people have done already. I was in the market for a low top sneaker in the first place, and I always wanted a pair of Blazers, and that's what I ended up choosing to customize. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward program, and it's really simple how it works. Once you pick the sneakers that you want to customize, you start by choosing your size first. I'm a size 9, and I would recommend going true to size if you plan on buying these particular pair of Nikes. Then you choose an upper. I was already intending to get these in white, but I'll show you all the other options as well. Lots of colors and different materials you can choose from, like leather, canvas, or suede. I wanted leather, so that's why I chose. For the swoosh, I'm going to go for white here, but there are a lot of options you can choose from that are similar to the options for the upper. The back tab you can customize as well. I'm going for white. As you can see so far though, you can customize almost all aspects of the sneakers. For laces, I usually go for white laces regardless, so I'll keep it the same here. Lots of options to choose from though, so you can go crazy with it. The lining is something I could have gone for a different color just for maintenance purposes and care. These tend to show age and wear much easier. I still chose white though just because I wanted to maintain the overall white aesthetic of the shoes. Alright, now for the midsole. I definitely did not want the color to be white here. Midsoles get dirty fast on white sneakers. I just did not want to constantly worry about cleaning them, so I decided to go for a gum brown sole instead. I've always been a fan of this color scheme and style, so I went for it. If you choose gum for the midsole, you don't have any options but gum for the outsole. The last part to customize is the text on the back tab. You can choose colors of the text, and I chose white. You have the option to keep the Nike logo, or you can choose customized text here as well. That's not really my style, so I kept the default Nike logo. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Very simple. Once you're done, just submit your order and wait for it to arrive in the mail. It takes a few weeks to deliver, by the way, so just keep that in mind if you're on a time crunch or just impatient. Here's the box it comes in case you're wondering. It's a nice design, it's very minimal and basic. And here's how it looks when I wear it. The shoes, they fit me well and are very comfy to wear and to walk in. I've worn these a few times since they've been delivered, and the front toe box is already starting to wrinkle a bit, so the leather quality isn't the strongest in my opinion. I think with a good shoe tree in it, that should help fix it a bit, but we'll see. A good pair of white sneakers is essential in any wardrobe. It just works. It just works well with so many outfits and occasions. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied with the sneakers. They're exactly what I wanted in them for the most part. I'm very impressed with the level of customization that comes with the Nike by You program. So overall, I would say I had a pretty good experience. Shoes are definitely worth it. Do I plan to use the Nike by You program in the future? I would say yeah, I wouldn't mind trying it again. Whether you end up using the Nike by You program or not, that's up to you. I'm just here to inform you from my perspective, the consumer's perspective. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm out.